What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best oil filter on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Fram ExtraGuard Passenger Car Spin-On Oil Filter. Going from genuine OEM articles to the king of aftermarket filters, we find this Fram filter to be priced in the basement and found on the shelf of just about every major retailer in the nation. Priced less than $4, it's virtually a guarantee that many people shell out more cash than that for their morning coffee on the way to work. There are plenty of uncomplimentary anecdotes about Fram filters, but your author has had good luck with them for at least the last 20 years. That pavement-like gripping surface on its posterior works as advertised, providing a place on which to grasp the thing and torque it off. The rest of it is slathered in bright orange paint, which can be good or bad depending on your opinion.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is K&N Premium Oil Filter. The K&N Premium Oil Filter is carefully crafted to offer superior filtration to protect a vehicle's engine. Designed to work with any motor oil type, this filter offers high flow rates to provide the engine with a consistent amount of oil. The heavy-duty canister is durable and includes a 1-inch welded hex nut for simple filter removal without the need for several wrenches. According to one customer, the K&N Premium Oil Filter is very easy to install, and the 1-inch nut at the top eliminates the need for multiple oil filter wrenches. Another reviewer also chose this filter because of the socket attachment and only needing one oil filter wrench. On top of that, they commented on the great reputation K&N filters carry.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Fram Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter. Vehicles that use synthetic oil need a filter designed to match. The Fram Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter is designed to work with synthetic oils to extend the oil change interval, bringing it to as high as 20,000 miles. The high-efficiency filter helps the engine perform at its best and works for all motor types. It has a dual-layered synthetic media to catch and hold dirt and debris. One reviewer who tried the ultra-synthetic filter with synthetic oil twice wrote, "This time I didn't change the oil on my Acura at the 7,000-mile system interval because the oil looked clean. Their 15,000-mile synthetic oil was still looking clean even at 10,000 miles. It was just a dark shade of amber with no sign of carbon or other debris."
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Bosch Automotive 3312 Premium Oil Filter. Bosch Premium Oil Filters feature exclusive FilTech media technology that screens out more harmful particles and dirt, preventing premature wear and engine failure. O-Fit is ensured through strong steel base plates and housings that prevent warpage, leaks, and poor fit. Bosch Premium Oil Filters incorporate a silicone anti-drain back valve that ensures your vehicle's engine receives a supply of clean oil when the vehicle is started. Bosch's high lubricity gasket design provides a tight, leak-proof seal, yet allows for easy removal when it's time for an oil change. Rugged metal spiral wound center tube reinforces internal strength for superior durability over the life of the filter.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Mann Filter Oil Filter Element. Protect your engine from damage. During combustion, both dirt particles and combustion residues can penetrate into the engine oil. Without the appropriate oil filter to reliably keep these residues out of the engine oil, the engine can no longer be reliably supplied with clean engine oil and is thus no longer properly protected from wear. Not changing the filter at regular intervals risks reduced performance and increased oil consumption. In the worst case, this can even lead to engine damage. Consistent engine performance, less wear. Oil filters from Mann Filter reliably clear oil circuits of contaminants and thus ensure consistently high engine performance. Thanks to outstanding dirt holding capacity, higher material durability, and the most modern filter media tailored for each vehicle model, oil filters from Mann Filter can produce fantastic results even under intense conditions and allow you extra long replacement intervals. Cartridge oil. Play it safe. Optimal protection for your engine? Robust and corrosion-protected spin-on filter housing, long-life filter media, and seal ring. High-end silicone return line barrier membrane. PTS-coated bypass valves. Quick filter change with practical release aids. Mann Filter Air, cabin air, oil, fuel filters. Mann Filter Original O-Way. Our quality means our products comply exactly with the same technical and quality specifications and thus with the strict demands of the automobile manufacturer in question. Mann Filter, the top filter brand in the aftermarket, has offered true competence for over 65 years. Both in the original equipment of a new vehicle and in the yellow-green Mann Filter packaging, original Mann Filter products with 100% quality are trusted around the globe.